I'm Gianluca Misuraca, and the team leader and senior expert in technology diplomacy of the International Outreach for Human-Centric Artificial Intelligence, in short InTouchAIEU, an initiative funded by the European Commission Service for Foreign Policy Instruments that aim to promote, in collaboration with the different services of the European Commission, in particular DG Connect, the European approach to a trustworthy artificial intelligence at the global level. I'm very happy because we have been contributing to the successful organization of the 4th European AI Alliance Assembly that took place in Madrid on 16 and 17 November 2023, organized by the Spanish Presidency of the European Union Council and the European Commission. And we have been contributing to the, let's say, to put this community, the European community on AI that has been built around the time, let's say, in touch with international actors and really bringing this at the global level. Now, during the event in particular, we had, in fact, not only leading European experts from different stakeholders groups, but also, in particular, a debate on the current evolution and impact that the current situation and the impact that the AI Act may have globally. The theme of this AI Alliance conference was indeed leading trustworthy AI globally. And we had, in fact, a specific focus also on the cooperation between the European Union and the Latin American and Caribbean countries with an agreement reached between several countries and the European Union. So, the other important focus of this event, and in particular of the work of the InTouchAIEU project in collaboration with the European Commission, is to further reinforce the partnerships between the European Union and like-minded countries, in particular the US, Canada and Japan, as well as Singapore, Korea and India, and representatives from all these countries were actually contributing to this event also this year. And the next step and the vision, if you want, of how human-centric AI can be further developed, and hopefully we can contribute also with the InTouchAIEU project in the future, is to make sure that we can agree on, let's say, standards and regulatory convergence across the world, and at the same time we can, through international cooperation, foster ecosystems of trust and excellence, not only in Europe but worldwide. In this respect, it is clear that the ambition that Europe is putting on the table is becoming a global ambition and a shared need for a global governance of artificial intelligence, something that is now in fact being debated at the global level. And we had also here participants and representatives from the OECD, from UNESCO, and also, for instance, the recent appointment of the Spanish Secretary of State, Carmen Artigas, as the co-chair of the United Nations Advisory Board on Artificial Intelligence is an important result also of the work and the leadership that the European Union has been showing in the recent years. So with that, I'm sure that there will be soon another AI Alliance Assembly, most probably already next year, and I hope to see you all there, as well as to further contribute to the work that the European Commission, the European Union in general, and also the InTouchAI project is doing in Europe and worldwide.